Tommy found a magic maze filled with songs and bright sun rays. Marbles sparkled all around, happy music filled the ground. Adventure started with a sound. Tommy found a marble bright, shining with a golden light. Music floated in the air, magic sparkled everywhere. Joy was waiting for him there. Piano keys went ding and play, leading Tommy all the way. Every step sang happy tunes, dancing under smiling moons. Music filled the afternoon. Splashing water sang a song. Tommy danced and skipped along. Rhythms echoed near and far, shining like a little star. Music made the moment bright. Up the rainbow stairs he climbed. Every step was sweetly chimed. Every step was sweetly chimed. Happy notes flew through the sky. Birds were singing way up high. What a lovely melody. Boom, boom went the magic drum. Tommy smiled and had such fun. Tap the beat both loud and light. Everything felt just right. Music made the maze come alive. Golden marbles shining bright, glowing with the magic light. Tommy held it with great care. Sparkles floated through the air. Treasure found beyond compare. Tommy placed the marble there. Magic music filled the air. Lights began to twirl around. Joyful songs became the sound. Wonder could be found. The melody door opened wide. Magic waited just inside. Rainbow notes began to fly, painting colors in the sky. Tommy smiled with happy eyes. Tommy won the music game. Everyone called out his name. Marbles sparkled, songs were sweet, dancing with a happy beat. Best adventure was complete.